Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Mismo. Okay, so itong love reading na to ay para sa lahat ng Aries. Hello, hello sa inyo. At gusto kong pasalamat sa lahat ng Aries na patuloy na sumusuporta at sumusubaybay sa Mystico Moreno channel. Sobrang appreciated po. Thank you. Please continue to support by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung mag-resonate yung reading. And sa mga bago, sana supportan nyo rin po by subscribing to my channel para mag-grow pa siya at marami pa akong love reading na magawa para sa inyo. At para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love readings. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang 8-card spread. So, bubunot ako ng cards from this deck. Okay. And then, bubunutin ako ng card from the other deck. And interpret natin siya. That would be your love message mid-May. And gusto ko lang i-remind ang lahat that this is a collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga, huwag pilitin. It only means na pinasagap yung energy ninyo for this reading. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga i-post ko pang videos, or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na, baka isa din doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Dahil ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Better yet, pwede kayo mag-book ng private personal love reading. Nasa description box naman yung email address ko. Better yan kasi mas naka-align yun sa energy niyo. Okay, let's begin. I'll pick the 5th card dahil may pa rin naman ngayon. So, first card. Okay, starts with the Lovers agad. Okay. Okay, and High Priestess. Alright, so there's so much love shown by the Lovers card, unang card pa lang. There's so much love in this connection. And with the High Priestess showing up here, you're both have this soul level connection. Hindi lang siya yung basta love na parang ay mahal ko siya, ganyan. Ramdam ninyo na soul level connection yung meron kayo. Okay, yung tipong feeling ninyo is tinadhana talaga kayo para sa isa't isa. Parang soulmates na ang nakikita ko pa dito is nagkakilala pa kayo sa unexpected na scenario or na situation. Okay? And nung nagkakilala kayo, nandun na agad yung parang tinatawag nila na spark, chemistry, kung ano-ano pang words describing that soul level connection. Okay, and you might be dealing with a Gemini with the Lovers card showing up. So, check nyo na lang din yung kanilang Sun, Moon, Venus, and Rising placements. Baka Gemini sila. Okay. Okay. King of Wands. Okay, King. Okay, King of Wands and King of Cups. When it comes to emotions and the desire Okay? Uh, very stable siya. First, emotionally stable itong person ninyo. Okay? And kaya niyang i-manage yung mga emotions niya. Hindi siya yung biglang magre-react sa isang bagay or biglang magtatampo. Very, alam mo yun, secure siya sa sarili niya, uh, translating to the maturity when it comes to um, expressing emotions sa given situation. Or kaya rin niya i-manage yung mga hindi positive emotions. For example, kung may conflict, kahit may conflict man yan, o may mga arguments kayo, challenges, hindi rin siya, nagagalit siya. I mean, hindi naman sinasabing hindi siya marunong magalit or hindi siya marunong malungkot or ganyan. Pero not to the extreme. And kaya niyang i-manage nga yun in a way na hindi siya magiging chaotic yung situation or kaya niyang i-handle to the point na hindi siya sasabog. Ganun. Okay? And with the King of Wands here, very, siya, bold and proactive and very honest then when it comes to expressing what he or she needs sa relationship, which is very important kasi hindi naman tayo manghuhula, di ba? Hindi tayo mind reader para malaman right away yung needs ng iba. Kasi pwedeng iba interpretation natin ng needs nila, hindi naman pala yun yung gusto nila, pero best talaga na kino-communicate and ina-express ano yung needs ng person ninyo. And very loyal din tong person with the King of Cups and King of Wands. Parang lahat nung heart and soul, diba? The cups and the wands. So, tapos king pa pareho. So, very all in siya sa'yo. Lalo na, nag-start tayo agad sa The Lover. So, mahal na mahal ka nitong taong to. Okay. Alright, Ace of Pentacles. Ay. Ace of Pentacles and Seven of Wands. Alright, so with the Ace of Pentacles here, there's a new beginning when it comes to investing in the relationship. So, itong person, and I think this is medyo parang fresh pa lang itong connection. So, if you're into though pwede rin naman na long-term relationship siya, tapos nasa next level na kayo ng relationship or nag-move na kayo sa next phase ng inyong relasyon. So, it also applies to this. So, there's a promising start. So, whatever, kung anong milestone man yan, kung commit nyo pa lang sa isa't isa or may new commitment kayo, like from dating, naging in a committed relationship kayo, from committed relationship, naging engaged kayo, or nag-move na kayo into a married life, ganun, or may mga plans kayo together, new phase ng relationship, if you're married, or next plan is to have a family, or diba, magkaroon ng anak, okay, or ng negosyo as a couple. So, there's a and itong investment na to is, di ba, kapag very committed tayo sa anong gusto natin, we are willing and 100% willing to invest on that Diba? So, ganun din yung sa connection ninyong dalawa, your person is super willing and ready to invest. And dahil nga may mga andin na parang proven na rin kasi yung relationship ninyo with the Seven of Wands here, which is overcoming challenges. So, hindi siya yung din, na parang, sige, parang nag-jump na lang kayo into a relationship. Na-test naman na, parang tried and tested, kumbaga, yung relationship. Na, nandun talaga yung love, nandun yung commitment, nandun yung stability, maturity, loyalty, and lahat na ng positive things na hinahanap nyo pareho sa relasyon. And despite mga challenges na kinakaharapan ninyo, nakikita ko dito na madali ninyong ayusin, diba? Hindi kayo takot din na, okay, na conflicts may arise, kasi alam ninyo din na parang very mature kayong pareho na alam niyo na kapag may mga conflict na dumating, which is normal in a relationship, kapag may mga, kasi ang conflict hindi lang naman yan talaga always between the two of you, di ba? May mga external factors din, like work, family, friends, di ba? Na nakaka-apekto sa relasyon, pero alam nyo na malalampasan nyo yun as long as you work together. Diba? Okay, then we have the Knight of Cups. Ooh, and the Three of Swords. Okay, sige, with the Knight of Cups here, there's an unexpected decision or gesture, I would say, or act. Merong unexpected thing lang na it may cause some heartache or pain between the two of you. And tingnan natin, gusto ko malaman yung next, kasi feeling ko related siya dito sa susunod na card na mabubunot ko. Okay, Three of Pentacles. Okay, with the Ace, Three of Pentacles and Ace of Swords. So si Three of Pentacles is a card of growth and collaboration, which is, alam natin na nangyayari naman between the two of you. But showing here with the Ace of Swords, which is communicating or expressing or sharing with clarity and communicating with the truth dun sa yung having honest conversations ba. Okay, babalik tayo dun sa unexpected na action with the Three of Swords here. So there's parang may third party energy na paparating. So kaya nga nasabi ko, di ba, parang kanina kahit yung mga pagsubok na kaya nyong lampasan, hindi lang siya about the couple kasi may mga external factors din minsan. And ito yung nakikita ko na may third party energy. And ang third party energy, hindi lang siya romantic, okay? Third party energy is any energy outside the relationship or the connection that has an effect or that affects the relationship or your connection with your person. So, pwede siyang kaibigan, kamag-anak, kapamilya, katrabaho, okay, kaklase if you're still studying, okay, or yung work mismo, diba, career, ACADS, health, diba? So, marami siyang factors. And I think itong unexpected na mangyari, hindi nyo siya talaga, yung parang, talaga ba? Parang ganon. So, coming from a third-party energy, magkakaroon ng challenge kayong dalawa. Pero again, malalampasan nyo siya kasi you have this Three of Pentacles and Ace of Swords, which is collaboration. So again, yung similar to the energy kanina na sinabi ko na kayong dalawa, you support each other. And with the Three of Pentacles or Three of Coins showing up here, talagang sinasabi dito na yung connection ninyong dalawa is punong-puno siya ng support. Ayun, kaya nag-grow yung relationship niyo kasi you really support each other. Tapos hindi lang isa yung nag-effort na dalhin yung relation. And with the Ace of Swords here, very very honest din kayo when it comes to communication, so may clarity. Kung yung third party energy is coming from your person, ano din siya, very open din siya na, uy, nangyari to because of this, because of that. Tapos same goes to you din naman. Parang wala kayong nililihim kasi nga alam nyo din na and nararamdaman ko dito na itong third party energy is not really romantic. Something something other than romantic third party. And alam nyo na kaya nyo itong i-resolve together. Okay. Okay, ayan. So, the Magician and Okay. The Magician and the Moon. Okay, nagsama sila. So, you also might be dealing with a Gemini, okay, or a Virgo, and an Aquarius. A Pisces pala. Or pwedeng Aquarius din since nabanggit ko na, di ba? Parang gusto ni Universe sabihin ko siya. So, so, check nyo again yung Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising placements nila. Baka isa dun sa mga signs na yun. And with the Magician showing up here and the Moon, wala, parang you can get whatever you desire. And meron talaga kayong parang willpower to make everything work sa relationship. Parang gagawin nyo talaga lahat para mag-work ang relationship at maayos ang lahat at ma-maintain yung balance in the relationship, yung harmonious and happy relationship na currently meron kayo. So parang na-attain nyo na yan and you'll do your best as well na ma-maintain whatever current situation na stable, happy, harmonious, 'di ba? Peaceful, 'di ba? Hindi siya chaotic na despite may mga third party energies na nakaka-affect na relationship. Kaya nyo i-maintain and gagawin nyo ang lahat din para ma-maintain yun. And with the Moon card here is yung mga insecurities or whatever that will cause any confusion sa relationship, meron nga kayong mga tools given with the Magician card. You have the tools necessary to address whatever yung mga problems or something that will confuse or para ma-off track kayo dun sa relationship goals ninyo. Hindi siya mangyari. Pero yun nga, may mga pa rin, di ba? May mga insecurities pa rin, minimal na lang, na minsan lumalabas or natitrigger, di ba? Pero again, dahil nga very open kayo and honest kayo sa isa't isa, na-resolve niyo din siya agad. And na ko-control ninyo yung mga manifestation din ng mga triggers ninyo. Okay, ayan. King of Pentacles na naman. So, another king. with the Six of Wands. Ayan, very stable din kayo when it comes to your finances. Alam mo yun, yung nagagawa nyo lahat ng gusto nyo kasi very abundant. Okay? And not just sa material abundance. Bukod sa material abundance, very abundant nga rin yung love and affection and yung mga sinabi ko kanina na support, ganyan. Very abundant siya. Alam mo yun, punong-puno talaga ng pagmamahal yung relationship ninyo. And you felt that yung feeling nung, di ba, pag may na-achieve kayo na bagay, even personal, yung feeling na yes, na-achieve ko siya. Ayan, I feel victorious. Ganun. And Six of Wands is also a card of teamwork. And na-achieve ninyo tong stability and abundance in your relationship because of you supporting each other, you recognizing both the positive and negative side of each other. Na dahil alam niyo yung positive traits ng isa't isa, ginamit niyo yun as your strength, and knowing also the negative traits ng bawat isa, ginamit niyo yun to have understanding ano yung mga kailangang ayusin, ano yung kailangang i-hone pa, ano yung kailangang compromise. So yun, it helped with the growth ng relationship. Okay? Napakaganda nung dynamics ninyong dalawa. And last card. Yeah, see? That's the last card niya pa, Wheel of Fortune. It started with the Lovers, tapos nag-end pa siya with Wheel of Fortune. Napakaganda. Okay? Tapos Two of Cups pa. So, Two of Cups is also card of love. Diba? So, punong-puno siya ng emosyon, alam mo yun, Two of Cups is a card of happy connection and happy relationship. Tapos, with the Wheel of Fortune pa na nakabit sa kanya, it's saying that this connection is really yung meant to be. Alam yun, na destined kayo para sa isa't isa. And there's this evolving yung emotions, and yung pag-evolve nga is parang mas everyday na magkasama kayo, mas na-in-love pa kayo sa isa't isa. Alam nyo na mahal nyo na isa't isa, pero alam niyo yung song na parang I love you more today than yesterday and not as much as tomorrow. So may ganong energy between the two of you. So sobrang saya, sobrang positive ng reading na to, and I'm really happy. Lalo na kung nag-resonate itong reading na to sa inyo, sobrang happy ako. Kasi this is a very positive reading, and if you also want to manifest this, manifest nyo na sa life ninyo, and claim the energy, this positive energy. So, yun lang muna. Maraming salamat. Sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Use this reading with discernment. Okay? And yeah, kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. Kita-kits. Ingat.